All right, number 15 says, find the expected value to you of the described game. And the described game is you are given 5-to-1 odds against tossing 3 heads with 3 coins, meaning you win $5 if you succeed, and you lose $1 if you fail. All right, so the general equation for expected value is this. Expected value is equal to the value of event 1 times the probability of event 1 plus the value of event 2 times the probability of event 2. All right, so let's say that event 1 is that I win. So what's the value to me of winning this game? Well, the value is going to be $5. That's the value of winning. Now, what's the probability that I'm going to win? Well, in order to win, I have to flip a coin 3 times and get heads each time. So the probability of getting heads on the first flip is 1/2. And then we multiply that by 1/2, which is the probability of getting heads on the second flip, times 1/2 on the third flip. 1/2 times 1/2 times 1/2 is 1/8. So the probability of me winning, of getting a heads 3 times in a row, is 1/8. All right, the second event that could happen here is I could lose. So what's the value to me of losing? Well, the value is going to be negative $1. All right, and what's the probability that that's going to happen? Well, if the probability of me winning is 1 out of 8, the probability of me losing is 7 out of 8. So now we can calculate this. $5 times a probability of 1/8. That's going to give us, let's see, 5/8, which is 0.625. And then the value of losing here, that's going to be $1 times 7 out of 8. That is negative 0.875. So then when we add those two together, so 0.625 minus 0.875 is going to be equal to 0.25, negative 0.25. That's important because that means that on average, I'm going to lose 25 cents every time I play this game. So the questions that were asked were, what would you expect to win money or lose money if you played one game? Well, if I played one game, I'm going to expect to lose money because there's only a 1 in 8 chance that I'm going to win this. But out of one game, I feel like I'm willing to take that risk because I could take $5. I could make $5 out of that one game. But in the long run, if I played 100 of these games, I'm going to expect to lose $25 because the law of large numbers says that the closer or the more of these games that we play, the closer we're going to get to this average expected value of negative 25 cents.